Thank you guys for tuning in. It's Tibor on the beat. Just fucking around, listen to my rap. Lady in the studio, right here, no to warm up. I'm just fooling around, but show me some love, man. It's Tibor on the beat, Beverly Hills, living up the street. Every day I'm balling, no defeats, yet I'm puffing. In my money bag, I'll be stuffing. Stir you up roughly. Haters wanna know me, going to the top slowly. Out of balance every rolling. Pull up, I pull up in a Lamborghini. Steal your girl Houdini. At the top the spot you see me. Money is the king. So I made hustling my thing. Have your house on my thing. 2020 vision is the thing. Grankadon is the gang. The system tells you this, the system tells you that. Look where we got your parents at. Lamborghini can't do that, Rolex can't do that. Fuck the system, you don't wanna be where your parents at. Where your parents at? Laka, laka, laka. I want Prada, Prada, Prada. Laka, laka, laka. I want Prada, Prada, Prada. Looking for trouble, you come to right place. Pull up on me and I send you to space. Started to rain, so I made it to snow. Started to rain, so I made it to snow. On the road, selling our shows, buying designer for the bros. Louis, Gucci, Fendi, Prada. From Bergen to Omslanga. Laka, laka, laka. I want Prada, Prada, Prada. Okay, hello guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today also. As you see, it's already dark outside today also. So I just had to get a quick video and update for you guys up in the internet before the timer hits 12. So today I'm going to talk about two quick things, okay? First of all, in this video, you're going to learn how you are going to survive in 2020 if you are a business owner, okay? This is a very, very important message to all business owners out there. So, first of all, the message to all business owners out there, as you see in 2020, it's going to be a tough year for all business owners that are don't taking the social media seriously. We can take a good example in Toys R Us, the biggest toys supplier in the world, has gone bankrupt and had to close the doors, okay? And that is because they ignored the social media and what the power of the internet was. So Amazon took all the revenue that Toys R Us had and they had to close the doors for good. And that was the biggest company in the world selling toys to kids. And they got cancelled, they got bankrupt, done, because they ignored the fact that social media is a necessary place to be if you want to survive in 2020. If you are a business owner now and you're doing $5 million a year, even if it's $5 million a year, and you have done that for maybe 10 years and you have not given a shit about social media, I can guarantee you if you keep doing that, you're going to be out of business the next 3 to 4 years. 100% sure. If you keep giving a shit about social media and don't giving a shit about posting and being active on the platforms, you are going to get bankrupt. That's 100% fact. There's nothing I have come up with. That's a fact, and you can get to you can find it out if you just search for big companies going bankrupt. And that's because they don't give a fuck about the internet. So my advice to you today to actually get the attention and start posting on social media, I advise you as a business owner to write 100 posts of things that are related to your business. 100 posts? What is that, man? How can I post 100 posts? 100 posts is that you want to write down, brainstorm on a paper, 100 plus things you can talk about on the camera, just as I'm doing right now, so you can get your word out there and start to compete for the attention to the customer. That's the very easy explaining of this. You have to make a long list of 100 things that you want to talk about and can make a social media post of, and then you have to post it out to the market to get the attention. But how can I find 100 things to write about? Okay, if you are a chiropractor or a dentist, we can take a dentist, okay? I love dentists. Okay, so if you are a dentist and you want to write 100 things to post and boost out in the social media market, you can start with the subject teeth whitening. And teeth whitening, I can probably find a couple things to write about right now. I'm not a dentist, but you can write about what the technology is behind it, what chemicals you're using, who is tooth whitening for, who is it not for, does it damage the teeth, and you can go so on, and just write a blog post on this subject, the under subjects you find on teeth whitening. So just write a blog post then about the technology behind it. That can be a whole blog post. And you have a blog post, then you make a video of the blog post with you in the video explaining what's in the blog post, and then you use the video you made for that blog post and chop it up and then boost that out on every platform you are visible on, like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, for example, or LinkedIn. Then you, did you understand? I can say that one more time. Then you write a blog post of the technology behind teeth whitening. After you have written the blog post, you make a video like this explaining what you can read in the blog post. Then you take the video where you explain the blog post and chop it up and boost it out in the social market, in the social media market, and then with links back to the blog post. And at that blog post, you're going to have a call to action where they can sign up for an appointment on tooth whitening. You understand? You understand the basic rules in marketing now? That's the thing you have to do in 2020. If you don't do this in 2020, if you don't bother to do this in 2020, you're not going to make any money in the years coming forward, because the people that are actually taking advantage of this and know that this is a necessary thing to do are going to do it, and they're going to post a blog post or whatever every single day, and they're going to take every customer that you have today because they are visible on the social media. So that's my message to you today. If you are a business owner in 2020 and you want to survive, please take notice to this advice. Make a quick list of 100 things you can post a picture, a video, or a blog post about, and then start to sketch out what you're going to say in each of this 100 list. What I'm really pumped about right now, guys, is that I have 3 artists that are really going to pump out social media content in the next following months. So I'm going to take you guys with me and with them, so you can see how I'm pushing my artists to post on the social media, and that is why they are going to blow, combined with the huge talent they already got when it comes to the rap and the singing. They are going to perform under the label P.Daddy Promotions. P.Daddy Promotions is going to be a gold example for you guys to see, even whatever business you are running, to see what consistent social media posting are going to do to their revenue. We have a very simple saying that is money, follow, attention, and that is by Uncle fucking G, Grant Cardone, the one and only business mentor in sales. And he says that money, follow, attention. It's that fucking simple. Money follows attention. And how do you get attention in 2020? On social media. It's that simple. So why haven't you posted a picture on social media today about your business? Do you think you're going to get more clients? You're complaining to your wife when you come home like, shit, my salary is going down. I have to take my money off my own account to save the business. How can I save it? I'm doing my best. But I'm saying to you, do you have a picture on social media today? Do you have a video today on social media? Do you have a video of you performing dental services on a dental client? Do you have anything at all proving that you are a business and still active on social media today? Probably not, man. And that is why you're coming home and complaining to your wife and can't sleep because you think your business is going to go to hell. That's because you don't fucking using social media. It's that simple. You don't have to be a social media expert. Just post every single day on every platform you can think about. Is that alright? Is that clear enough for you guys? Is that clear enough to understand? But right now, I'm going to go to bed very soon. I just have to edit this video. I have a 90 days challenge with a channel called Mo's Vlog that we have to upload a new video every single day with a genuine content that giving real value to you guys. And if we don't meet that, we have to pay the other part $5,000 if we don't post every single day. And that's because we want to push ourselves to always keep consistent content up and running. And that's also a good example of myself that I'm going to do this for 90 days. I post every day, man. I'm going to post every day. Please click the links down below so you can follow my personal social media platforms. So you can see that I'm not just standing here and talking shit. You can actually see I'm practicing what I'm saying to you guys. I'm actually doing this myself. So if you don't believe me, you can just watch my stuff, watch how I am doing it, and watch my channel and income and revenue grow as I'm doing the things I'm going to say to you guys. It's not, I'm not a magical dude or something. I'm just doing it what it takes, man. And that's to post every single day with genuine content that giving value to the viewers. So I hope that this video also brought value to you guys. It's been a long day. Very much business with the P.Daddy Promotions today also. I think it's very much works now go to P.Daddy Promotions and not that much to the other parts because P.Daddy is very new and we have so talented artists now coming into the label, and I'm so freaking pumped to show you guys as well what the fuck we're up to in P.Daddy. You're going to be crazy amazed of how we're going to attack the market and how fast we're going to blow, like really blow. We're not talking about in Norway or something like that. We're going to blow in the world. So then you're also going to see my marketing skills set to action and see everything, man. Just follow the journey. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and sorry for this video to not be that long or that much things happening. As I said, I have like 4 businesses that are trying to make popping, so I have a lot of shit to do. This is just something I also, of course, has to do. But as I told you guys, it's not always have to be the perfect content. You just have to be consistent in every single day. So that's it for me today, guys. And remember, make your money, do your hustle, and do whatever the fuck you want in life, man. Peace.